we see some chemical reaction in which NO2 group, that is electron withdrawing group, present at ortho and para position, then this reaction takes place as faster. If there is not group present at ortho or para position. So some examples are taken. For example, here we taken this one chloro 2,4 dinitro benzene react with OH, that is alkali, strong nucleophile, presence of NaOH and H plus at 363 Kelvin temperature. It attack of substitution OH firstly takes place and they form the compound, that is phenol. Here we call 2,4-dinitro phenol. Similarly, when there is one more group are attached NO2 here, then again this reaction became a faster one. For example, we changes this compound into 1-chloro-2,4,6 trinitro benzene, and here is not need of more heating, only small warm. This reaction takes place fast to give such are the products we call 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. In this way, these two reactions takes place fastly or somewhat easily because of electron withdrawing group present at ortho and para positions. Thus, this is about the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Then we discuss about some more reactions of chlorobenzenes. Halogenation of haloarenes. If we take an chlorobenzene, it undergo halogenation, presence of anhydrous FeCl3, it gives two products, orthodichlorobenzene plus para dichlorobenzene plus twice HCl. In this case, there are two products formed. One is ortho, another is para, or we also may call it is 1,2-dichlorobenzene, or it may be called 1,4-dichlorobenzene also. In this way, this halogenation of the chlorobenzene takes place. Then we see about nitration of chlorobenzene. During the nitration reaction, we use nitrating mixture to convert chlorobenzene into the nitrobenzene. Here, concentrated HNO3 plus presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Somewhat heating takes place. This mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called nitrating mixture. Important point. What is nitrating mixture? Mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid called nitrating mixture. And this reaction takes place presence of the nitrating mixture. Reaction takes place presence of nitrating mixture to gives ortho nitrochlorobenzene, ortho nitrochlorobenzene plus para nitrochlorobenzene. Orthochloronitrobenzene plus para-chloronitrobenzene. Now, then next reaction is the sulfonation. Sulfonation. When chlorobenzene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, it undergoes sulfonation reaction. And the products formed are again similar, two products. In this reaction, water molecule is eliminated. Now, here these two products are formed. One is the orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid, another is the para-chlorobenzene sulfonic acids. Orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and para-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Plus twice H2, twice HCl. In this reaction, HCl, twice H2. In this reaction, also two products are formed, ortho and para products. In this, all this reaction, two products are possible, ortho and para products. Then we see about another two more reactions. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Now, when chlorobenzene reacts with alkyl halide, presence of anhydrous AlCl3, somewhat heating, this alkylation of chlorobenzene takes place to use एक मिनट पॉज करो, एक मिनट.